Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices slipped on Thursday after retreating from a fresh 2-month high as investors weighed support from softer US inflation against concerns that higher energy prices could keep the Federal Reserve cautious on interest rates. Softer CPI data reduced expectations of a near-term rate hike, with CME FedWatch now pricing a 38 to 40% probability of a September hike, down from 46% before the CPI release. From a technical perspective, after gaining more than 8% over the past 7 trading sessions, gold is witnessing some profit booking. Prices may remain range-bound intraday between 155,500 and 153,000. A breakout on either side of this range will provide clearer direction for the next move. Moving on to WTI crude oil. WTI crude oil prices fell in Asian trade as markets assessed continued uncertainty over West Asian supplies and a weak outlook for crude demand. Oil prices have posted strong gains over the past week amid limited progress toward easing US-Iran tensions and reopening the Strait of Hormuz. The waterway remains a key focus for oil markets, accounting for roughly 20% of global oil consumption flows before the Iran war. On the technical front, MCX crude oil has been forming lower lows over the past 3 trading sessions. Prices have formed strong support near 7,750. A break below this level could drag prices towards 7,500. On the upside, strong resistance stands at 7,970, and a breakout above this level could signal a continuation of the bullish momentum. Finally, let's look at copper. Copper futures fell below $6.55 per pound on Thursday, touching their lowest level in more than a week as elevated prices weakened demand and discouraged buyers in top consumer China. The Yangshan premium declined to $96 per ton from $115 per ton last month, signaling softer demand for imported copper. Technically, MCX Copper has extended its decline for the second consecutive trading session after failing to sustain above 1,390, forming a bearish setup. Strong support is placed at 1,357, and a break below this level could trigger the next leg of correction toward 1,340 and 1,330. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.